Then we drill from that underside as well. That's the most logical method. But if the anchor bolts are standing straight, marking from the top doesn't cause much error. I use a slightly thicker 21mm auger bit, and drilling from the top works just fine. It's also much easier that way. Before laying the sills, I place the sill gaskets along the marks. There are two types of sill gaskets, airtight gaskets and ventilation gaskets. First, I set the airtight gaskets to seal the areas that need it, then I connect them